Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. As someone who has had a house fire, fire safety is really important to me. It's near and dear to my heart. And that is part of the reason why I chose these fire extinguishers by First Alert to keep in my home. Being a child care provider, I was required by law to get some that were ABC rated. Not all fire extinguishers are, but these ones pass the test. One of the reasons that I like this brand by First Alert is that they are rechargeable. These ones, all I have to do is find a company that recharges them. I can take them in and then I can use it over and over again. It's also really easy to check them. That's also something that I'm required to do once a month. And I just have to make sure that the arrow is still in the green section. If it's green, I'm good. Nice and easy check. They also come with mounts, so you can easily mount them to your wall and a safety strap to keep it secure against the wall. But the safety strap is easy to undo. These also have a 5-year warranty. I feel so much better knowing that a fire extinguisher is always nearby just in case I should need it. Hopefully I never will though. And that's my point of view.